Good morning, this is Ramel Magcalas, your subject teacher for Empowerment Technologies. Lesson 4, Applied Productivity Tools using Word Processor. Ano nga ba ang word processor? A word processor is a computer program or device that provides for input, editing, formatting, and output of text, often with some additional features. Early word processors were standalone devices, often on each function. But current word processors are word processor programs running on general-purpose computers. Word processor brief history. In the 1960s, a word processor was a standalone office machine with a keyboard, printer, electric typewriter, and a recording unit. According to Harry Henderson, in his book titled Encyclopedia of Computer Science and Technology, International Business Machine, or IBM, is believed to have coined the term word processor in the 1960s. During the 1960s and 1970s, the features and design gradually changed as technology advanced. They had a monochrome or black and white display and were able to save documents on diskette or memory cards. The first modern-style word processor was brought to the market by Lexitron and Linolex. It has a video display screen so that the typist could see and correct errors without having to print it first. By the late 1970s to early 1980s, several innovations were introduced, including improved formatting options and spell checkers. In the late 1970s, word processing systems developed by Wang, Data General, Data Equipment Corporation, and others were essentially microcomputers with tiny monitors, keyboards, printers, and specialized software. In 2009, there were just two American companies, AlphaSmart and Classic, which continued making them. Today, typical word processing software comprises more than one program and can produce a combination of graphics, images, and text, with the text having typesetting capability. Saan nga ba ginagamit ang word processor? In the world business, word processor are extremely common. They are used in creating legal documents such as contracts, company reports, literature for customers and clients, internal memos, and letters. Some people use the software to write poems, short stories, personal correspondence, greeting cards, or to create resumes. According to the top 10 reviews, the top word processors in the world are Microsoft from the United States, WordPerfect from Canada, TextMaker from Germany, Google Docs from United States, Kingsoft Writer from China, AbilityWrite, United Kingdom, and Ragtime from Germany. Pumunta naman tayo sa brief history ng Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word was released in 1983 as multi-tool Word. Its first version was based on the framework of Bravo, which was world's first graphical writing program. Microsoft renamed multi-tool Word to Microsoft Word. In October 1983, Microsoft released its first version for the IBM PC. In 1989, Microsoft released a new version of the Word for its Windows operating systems. It was the Microsoft Word who introduced the concept of WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get. In 2014, Microsoft developed the source code for Microsoft Word for Windows 1.1a. Parts and uses of Microsoft Word. What is an Office button or File tab? This button was introduced in Office 2007 with the new ribbon feature. When you click on the Office button or the File tab, it displays some useful options which are used very frequently. Office button or File tab provides us option to open, save, print any document, or perform other common functions. The following options or commands are displayed when we click the Office button or the File tab. New. This option allows us to create a new blank file in the corresponding Office program, such as MS Word, MS Excel, or PowerPoint. Open. This option allows us to open an existing file from the local storage on our computer. Save. This option allows us to permanently save a temporary file to our computer after finishing the work. Save as. This option allows us to save a copy of the active file with the desired file name and file extension to a desired location on the computer storage. Print. This option allows us to take a hard copy of the desired document on paper through a printer. Prepare. This option allows us to prepare the active file for distribution. In particular, the Prepare option helps us view and modify the document properties accordingly. Send. This option enables us to send or share the desired files directly through the open Office program with others. In particular, we may share active documents by email, upload them to OneDrive, or post to a specific blog. Publish. This option enables us to distribute the desired documents to people. We can even create a specific blog article with the content inside the file. And last, close. This option helps us to close an active document in a corresponding Office program. Title bar. It displays the title of the currently open document or application. Ribbon and tabs. It is located below the title bar. It comprises tabs, Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review, and View. Each tab has a specific group of related commands. It gives you quick access to the commonly used commands that you need to complete a task. Home tab. The Home tab is a default tab in Microsoft Word. It has 5 groups of related commands: clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and editing. It helps you change document settings like font size, adding bullets, adjusting styles, and many other common features. It also helps you to return to the home selection of the document. Insert tab. Insert tab is the second tab in the ribbon. As the name suggests, it is used to insert or add extra features in your documents. It is commonly used to add tables, pictures, clip art, shapes, page number, and others. The Insert tab has 7 groups of related commands: pages, tables, illustrations, links, header and footer, text, and symbols. Page Layout tab. It is the third tab in the ribbon. This tab allows you to control the look and feel of your document. Example, you can change the page size, margins, line spacing, indentation, documentation orientation, and others. The Page Layout tab has 5 groups of related commands: themes, page setup, page background, paragraph, and arrange. References tab. It is the 4th tab in the ribbon. It allows you to enter document sources, citations, bibliography commands, and others. It also offers command to create a table of contents, an index, table of contents, and table of authorities. The References tab has 6 groups of related commands: table of contents, footnotes, citations and bibliography, captions, index, and table of authorities. Mailing tab. It is the 5th tab in the ribbon. It is the least often used tab of all the tabs available in the ribbon. It allows you merge emails, writing and inserting different fields, preview results, and convert a file into PDF format. The Mailing tabs has 5 groups of related commands: Create, start mail merge, write and insert fields, preview results and finish. Review tab. It is the sixth tab in the ribbon. This tab offers you some information commands to modify your documents. It helps you proofread your content, to add or remove comments, track changes, and others. The Review tab has 6 groups of related commands: proofing, comments, tracking, changes, compare, and protect. Last is the View tab. The View tab is located next to the Review tab. This tab allows you to switch between single-page and two-page views. It also enables you to control various layout tools like boundaries, guides, rulers. Its primary purpose is to offer you different ways to view your document. The View tab has 5 groups of related commands: document views, show or hide, zoom, window, and macros.